So we're going to do a chatty makeup look today. The reason my hair is up is because I just got back from a walk. I walked over to the grocery store and picked up two items. So I was able to carry that back easily. There were a couple, I wanted to get a walk in and I wanted to go to the grocery store. So, killed two birds with one stone. All right, and I finished listening to the Stephen King Elevated. That's a stupid book. Don't listen to it. This is my water. One of my brides gave it to me. Isn't it pretty? It's got a metal straw. You gotta be careful with that. I almost busted my lip on that earlier. All right, I'm not gonna do an eye look again because my eyelids are still angry. But I am gonna use the Healthy Glow again from Charlotte Tilbury. I don't know whether it comes in colors or not. It's really pretty, isn't it? It blurs a little bit. Okay, so there's the Charlotte Tilbury Healthy Glow. And then, I think I want to put the NARS on with a sponge today. I'm gonna get my sponge wet. Y'all stay there. Okay, I'm using a real beauty blender opposed to a fake one. And I'm going to put some of my NARS Soft Matte on there. That much. And I'm going to go bouncy bouncy. I went through my pictures. I had a picture I was going to show y'all yesterday, and I misplaced it while I was trying to get ready to do my video. This foundation has a peach undertone. I went back and looked at what I bought, and you can see the peach undertone. I think I like peach undertone. I might need to remember that when I'm picking out a foundation. All right, well, I'm gonna keep pouncing. Here's Colin in his swim vest, his Sesame Street swim vest. This is years ago at our neighborhood pool, back when there were very few residents in this neighborhood. Here's Patrick and Pat. I guess they're headed to the potty. I guess that's me protecting my face from the sun. I don't know. That's enough stupid pictures for now. It's hard to pat my foundation out showing stupid pictures. Okay, this works good. Using a damp beauty blender to blend out the NARS Soft Matte. Last time I used the Wayne Goss 01 brush, this one. And yes, I've washed it since that demo. Okay. I'm going to use my Maybelline Instant Age Rewind underneath my eyes. So I did a braided look on myself the other day, and I had a request to do a look on shorter, how I would style shorter hair. And I did a look on my mannequin that has shorter hair but I think the look came out too complicated. I don't think anybody would want to reproduce that one. I'll put her back here. See, let's see her. Probably a little more complicated than what you had in mind, right? If you want to see a better picture of it, go to my Instagram. It's Jenny Charleston Makeup Artist. And you can see a better, the lighting's better. You'll be able to see the details. Here, let's see if, does that help? That helps, doesn't it? Okay, looking good. I'm still not washing my eyes thoroughly because I don't want to upset them. You know what I'm saying? So that's why I have some mascara on. Let's see. I'm going to use my Baby I'm a Star again. There's a color Temptation. I'll put it right here. Temptation in the Scott Barnes Natural Palette. That's a really pretty brow color also. Whoa, I went in there hard, didn't I? So this one is Baby I'm a Star. It's in the Artist Palette by Anastasia Beverly Hills. It's really super old palette. And I think you could probably find it on eBay or Poshmark or Mercury, is that how you pronounce it? I don't know how you pronounce it. There we go. I'm going to put my brow gel on so that'll stay. So I got a call from my hair salon today. There was a cancellation, so I'm not going to have to wait till I look like a homeless person before I get my hair done again. Nah. It's not that bad. I just have I don't know, you can't even, I have a few grays popping through, which is okay. I just like my color to be fresh. I think she uses a semi-permanent or I don't know. It's kind of a glossy thing. There's that. Now I'm going to put the Dark Star on right over the top of what I got going on there. Whatever it is I put on yesterday. Just whatever rinses off in the shower is what I wash off my eyelashes and my eyelids. I'm not putting any cleanser on them. They like to be left alone completely. And this is, like I said, the Pat McGrath Labs. That's interesting. I wonder why Lady Gaga and Pat McGrath call it labs. Or laboratories or whatever. Like it's science or something. There we go. Alright, to switch things up, I'll use a different color underneath my eyes. How about Rockstar by Urban Decay? How would we describe that? It looks like a a plum. It's the lawn bois. I think all my doors are locked. It's the lawn people for the community property, you know, like the places around the pond and stuff. I'm thinking they're not completely safe people. Pat's gone. That's why I'm concerned whether the doors are locked or not. There. So that's Urban Decay Rockstar, and I only put it on the corner and underneath. Let's do a different lip. Gin Nude. This is a BareMinerals pencil. And the color is Freestyle. I think the lipstick that I bought to go with this was Karma, but I do not know where it is. Ugh. So we're going to use Spanish Pink. I like that combination. Spanish Pink and Freestyle from BareMinerals. They probably don't have it anymore since I named it. Since I used it. I'm probably the reason things get discontinued. All right, I need a blush. Oh, how about a contour? I'm going to pull out. All right, this is BareMinerals Warmth. It's a loose it's a bronzer. I'm going to use my Real Techniques blush brush. And I'm going to just warm up my face in general. And the color is Warmth. I like it. What say you? Across my nose. So it's a bronzer. Make it a little more concentrated right there. Take it along my jaw. Take it across here. Looks good. I like it. I like the color. And then the blush is Kylie, We're Going Shopping. All right. That looks good too. Just a dibby dab on the chin. All right, I'm liking this look. Let's change highlighters. We're going to put up the crumbled jouet. And we're going to use Laura Geller Peach Glow. So this is turning into a peach look, right? I'm going to use my big highlighter brush this time. This is my Morphe M143. I run that on the top, on my cheekbones. Down the middle of my nose. Cupid's bow. I like that look. I like how that turned out. You'll see the back of my hair. A little low knot. And I've tried to loosen this up in here. All right, I hope you enjoyed this look. I enjoyed making it for you. In the comments, let me know if you wear peach more often or you wear cooler pinks more often. Y'all have a great evening, and I'll see you again tomorrow night.